lie! I've no longer got Madame Forestier's necklace.
What? Impossible.
Mathilde Loisel is a pretty woman who dreams of living in a fancy house with very expensive things. She is married to a clerk who works hard, but they do not have much money for luxuries. One day, her husband gets an invite to a formal party held at the main ministry building downtown. Mathilde is sad because she has no nice dress to wear, and she starts to cry a lot. Her kind husband gives her money to buy a new dress, but she still feels poor and sad.
Here's something for you.
The Minister of Education and Madame Ramponneau request the pleasure of the company of Monsieur and Madame Loisel at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January the 18th. And what do you suppose I am to wear at such an affair?
Why, the dress you go to the theatre in. It looks very nice to me. What's the matter with you?
Nothing. Only I haven't a dress, and so I can't go to this party.
Look here, Mathilde, what would be the cost of a suitable dress, which you could use on other occasions as well? Something very simple.
I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it on 400 francs.
Very well, I'll give you 400 francs.
She asks her friend Jean for help and borrows a beautiful diamond necklace to wear to the party. Mathilde looks stunning at the dance, and all the men look at her because she is very pretty. Mathilde and her husband leave late and go home, but she discovers that the expensive necklace is gone from her neck.
What's the matter with you?
I've no longer got Madame Forestier's necklace.
What? Impossible! Are you sure that you still had it on when you came away from the ball?
Yes, I touched it in the hall and the ministry.
But if you had lost it in the street, we should have heard it fall.
Yes, probably we should. Did you take the number of the cab?
No. You didn't notice it, did you?
No.
I'll go over all the ground we walked and see if I can't find it.
Her husband searches the streets all night long, but he cannot find the lost diamond necklace anywhere else. They decide not to tell the friend, and they buy a replacement necklace for a very high price. It takes them 10 years of hard work and living in poverty to pay off their massive debt. Mathilde becomes old and tired from the long years of scrubbing floors and living in a cold room. She runs into Jeanne in the park and decides to tell her the whole truth about the necklace. Jeanne is shocked and tells her that the lost diamond necklace was actually made of very fake glass.
Good morning, Jeanne.
But, Madame, I don't know. You must be making a mistake.
No, I am Mathilde Loisel.
My poor Mathilde, how you have changed.
Yes, I've had some hard times since saw you last, and many sorrows, and all on your account.
On my account? How was that?
You remember the diamond necklace you lent me for the ball at the ministry?
Yes, well?
Well, I lost it.
How could you? Why, you brought it back.
I brought you another one just like it. And for the last 10 years we have been paying for it. You realize it wasn't easy for us, we had no money. Well, it's paid for at last, and I'm glad indeed.
You say you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine?
Yes. You hadn't noticed it. They were very much alike.
Oh, my poor Mathilde. But mine was imitation. It was worth at the very most 500 francs.
The poor woman wasted 10 long years of her life paying for a necklace that was not real.